Welcome back to my channel, y'all. And this week we are celebrating my annual Brenner with different recipes, starting with the best shrimp and grits. And y'all, this is legit, y'all. From the fried grits, and then we have that delicious shrimp patty and that creamy creole sauce. It is so easy, y'all, and beautiful. Let's go. So I'm starting with some quick grits, and you can use any brand that you want. Chicken stock, panko, and then also have some Dijon, and then a stick of salted butter, garlic paste, and heavy cream. Also have some whole milk for the egg wash, and all-purpose flour and an egg. And then I also have some gouda, but you can use any kind of cheese that you would like. Some Old Bay seasoning, Creole seasoning, and then I have some pepper and onion powder. And then I also have a pound of raw deveined peeled shrimp, and I definitely recommend using raw for this recipe. So you can prep your grits according to the instructions on the box, or I will put a video to my southern style in the description, but I really did just do them simple. And then I am folding my cheese, and as you can see, I'm putting it into a pan that has high sides because we're going to have a thick patty. So while I spread this out, go ahead and use this opportunity, if you have not already, to click subscribe. Thank y'all so much, y'all. I am so pumped, y'all. Thank y'all for those who have already subscribed, new subscribers, old. Thank y'all. So into the refrigerator for an hour, and while that is in there, I'm going to finish mincing my shrimp. Now you can use a knife to chop this up, but a mini chopper was really helpful to give you the right consistency. And then I also added in a little bit of mayo as a binder, and then I'm just going to season it up, and everything will be in the description box. So I'm just going to mix this up. And y'all, my annual Brenner, this is the first year I have not been able to do it with my friends and family, so we're going to do it together, y'all. We're going to get through 2020. So I am going to form my shrimp patties, and be aware of the size. I want my patties to be similar size to my shrimp patties. So into the refrigerator to set, and then I'm going to start on my sauce. So I am going to brown the butter first, and then add in those onions and garlic paste, and that's just going to enhance the flavor. And then I'm going to add a little flour as a little bit of a thickening agent. I actually did not add any chicken broth, but you absolutely can if you would like. But this was so simple, you guys. Look at that. It was super simple, and it was so flavorful and delicious. It's perfect, y'all. So sauce is done, and then now we're going to start on the next part of the recipe, and I am doing my egg wash, and I am going to mix that up, and then we're going to actually fry our shrimp. I mean, not our shrimp, I'm sorry, y'all. My grits. And so I'm just going to add a little bit of flavor to the breadcrumbs, and I'm using a mug because I need, again, these are a little bit thicker, and so I needed something that has a deep round circle that is similar in size to the shrimp patties. And into the egg wash, and coat with those breadcrumbs, and get the sides as well. And then we're going to also set these back in the refrigerator. So this is a perfect prep ahead recipe. So next, we're going to take those shrimp patties out of the refrigerator, and a little bit of olive oil and butter into your pan, and that's again going to give you a good brown, but it also has a little bit more flavor with the two. And then finally, we're going to fry those grits. And so the grits are already done. We just want to get a golden brown. So once it gets like this, they're perfect. And then you just build it up, your patty, and then the sauce, and then a little poached egg on top. Baby, let me tell you, honey, this literally was my favorite recipe of 2020, period. But hold on now, I'm talking. Go on and take that bite. So good, you guys. Try this out. You'll be thanking me, trust me. Also, I'm drooling. Sorry, y'all. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so that when I post a new video, you'll be the first to know. And remember to subscribe and like this video. And don't forget, new recipes every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And for those who are new to my channel, welcome. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you on Wednesday in my new video. Bye, y'all.